My parliamentary inquiry is addressed, of course, to the Senate President. Mr. President, how do we deal with the pending motion? I refer to the motion to dismiss.
To answer the query with respect to motion to dismiss, this was actually done, although not via a motion to dismiss, but a motion to archive in relation to the impeachment complaints of then President Estrada and Ombudsman Gutierrez. The case be archived, given the resignation of then Ombudsman Gutierrez for being moot.
Saan ka kayo nakakita na hindi pwede mag-motion to dismiss? Judges dismisses cases because of no jurisdiction. Ang Supreme Court, hindi ba dinismiss nila? Hindi ba sinabi nila no jurisdiction? Tayo kasi dito nag-usap sa hall na to. Walang manifestation dito na hindi sinasabi.